Looking for an oversized bungalow in a prime location that is truly better than new? Then I've got you. This nearly 1,900 square foot home offers 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a fully finished basement, giving you the kind of space that is really hard to find. Every inch has been updated with quality in mind and no expense spared. Set on a quiet street, backing onto a park, this is the kind of location that rarely comes up. Enjoy the tour. Thanks for watching. For more information on this property or to book an exclusive tour, reach out to us. We're happy to guide you through the process.